Are you tired of wasting time manually recreating every sheet when you need a Workspace template? Duplicate your entire workspace in under 30 seconds. Let's walk through the exact steps. From your homepage, select the workspace, then save it as a new copy with a different name. Go to the Smartsheet homepage. Then, click on Browse in the left sidebar. Now, select Workspaces to see all your workspaces. Check the workspace to duplicate. Then click Actions. From the menu, choose Save as New. Give your new workspace a name. And finally, click Save to complete the duplication. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.